Long waits for zirconia restorations delay your practice and frustrate patients. It's time for a faster way. Introducing the Vsmile 60-minute chairside solution. An integrated workflow designed to deliver zirconia restorations faster. A fast scan provides the data, and a digital design is ready for production in minutes. The Vsmile C5 1-2D dry mill quickly carves the design from a SwiftGo zirconia block. The core of the solution is the Vsmile VSF 300 furnace. It sinters 3-unit bridge in just 40 to 60 minutes, saving hours. A quick polish for the final touch. Finally, a quick finish with Vsmile stain and glaze kit. The 3-unit bridge is ready for delivery in minutes. The result? Same day or next day delivery of beautiful zirconia restorations. That's the Vsmile advantage. Contact us. Stop waiting and start delivering. Revolutionize your workflow with the Vsmile 60-minute chairside solution.